Hello, Freddy. Hello, Freddy, gorgeous boy. I'm glad you're over here and not over there because of that other robin. Keep you safe over here. We're in for some stormy weather later, Fred. Yeah, I hope you're going to stay dry and safe. Oh, let me get a bit closer. Hang on. I'm standing a bit funny at an angle. There we are. Oh, you've got a bit on the end of your beak there, Fred. You have to lick your lips, lick your beak. So I looked up why you were standing tall yesterday, and it's a threat, isn't it? You're warding off threats to your territory. So that little robin, you were warding him off. Did you spot him somewhere? I've never seen you stand so tall like that before. But I'm glad you've been protecting your area. And with body language rather than fighting. Oh, that's someone's dog. Always ends up scaring little Freddy away.